Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where technology meets the passion for woodworking. Here, we share the latest techniques, useful tips, and modern tools in the world of carpentry. If you love creating and want to take your skills to the next level, don't miss any of our videos. This hydraulic log splitter is an absolute titan, reducing thick logs to perfect firewood in seconds. Built with raw steel muscle and industrial-grade durability, it turns back-breaking labor into a jaw-dropping spectacle. A reinforced debris shield is a must. This beast kicks out wood chips like shrapnel, launching bark 3 meters with ease. Want this monster in your yard? Hell yes, especially if it devours oak trunks whole and boasts a high-speed valve for relentless splitting power. This isn't just a log splitter, it's a time-crushing war machine for lazy lumberjacks. Need a wood-splitting game-changer? Meet the manual splitter for mini excavators, delivering a crushing 20,000 pounds of force with zero hydraulic hassle. Just pin, split, and stack firewood like a true ninja warrior. And don't miss the PTH 900M Beast, powered by a 353 horsepower Iveco engine. This is the ultimate biomass-chomping monster. Surgical precision, unstoppable power. This green destroyer makes entire forests tremble. Behold the future of log splitting. The 25-ton Titan with retractable 1.3-meter cylinder, delivering a skull-crushing 50,000 pounds of force while folding down for easy transport. This dual-beam brute features military-grade bronze sliders and dual-control safety levers, paired with our revolutionary removable 4-way wedge. One moment it's devouring oak trunks whole, the next it tucks away like garage equipment. The ultimate paradox. A compact monster that hits harder than industrial splitters twice its size. This isn't just machinery, it's the Swiss Army knife of wood destruction. Behold the future of log splitting. The 25-ton Titan with retractable 1.3-meter cylinder, delivering a skull-crushing 50,000 pounds of force while folding down for easy transport. This dual-beam brute features military-grade bronze sliders and dual-control safety levers, paired with our revolutionary removable 4-way wedge. One moment it's devouring oak trunks whole, the next it tucks away like garage equipment. The ultimate paradox. A compact monster that hits harder than industrial splitters twice its size. This isn't just machinery, it's the Swiss Army knife of wood destruction. Presenting the Timber Annihilator from B&S Vanguard, the 6-inch beast powered by a premium P4206 engine. In just seconds, it transforms the toughest hardwood branches into premium zero-waste mulch. Featuring proprietary multi-stage crushing technology and overwhelming grinding force that obliterates every fiber. More than just fast processing, this is a revolutionary invention that utilizes 100% agricultural waste, turning challenges into business opportunities. This machine is rewriting the rules of raw timber processing. Even the hardest logs surrender to this machine's relentless power. Every strike delivers a seismic impact, splintering the densest wood fibers in minutes. Its simple yet efficient design outperforms traditional axes by 5x, turning grueling labor into pure satisfaction. This isn't just a tool, it's the ultimate wood warrior for every homestead. Ready to deploy this timber-crushing champion in your backyard.
Tem madeireiros, ó.
The 2,638 kilograms Mercedes truck stands loaded like a mobile fortress, stacked timber sending swirling dust storms skyward. When wood moves at this speed, only a timber baron could profit so wildly. This isn't mere transportation, it's an illegal money-printing machine on wheels. Every trip represents another devastating cut-and-run operation, leaving forests gasping. The RU SP54 TRX stump grinder is an uncompromising beast of raw power and precision. Armed with a 40 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Vanguard EFI engine, it pulverizes even the most stubborn stumps with 12-inch deep cutting capability. Its compact, yet muscular design conquers tight spaces where others fail, while intuitive controls transform complex jobs into effortless work. From residential yards to commercial sites, the SP54 TRX delivers dominating performance, proving true power comes in smart, agile packages that refuse to back down from any challenge. Torx is rewriting the rulebook of automated wood turning. Their next-gen CNC lathes, like the CKI 1500-2500 and CKX 600-300 SL, are engineering marvels, featuring pneumatic loading systems that dance with precision, micron-sharp independent cutting tools, and creative capabilities that shatter conventional limits. These aren't just wood lathes, they're ultimate creative partners that transform wildest ideas into tangible masterpieces. Whether for small batch production or one-of-a-kind artistry, Torx machines are for those who refuse to settle for ordinary craftsmanship. The current wood-splitting process fails to showcase the machine's true potential. Flying debris obscures its precision engineering, while the jerky initial movements, like a hydraulic system's angry outburst, create all the wrong first impressions. This isn't a technological flaw, but a golden opportunity. Optimize feed rates, balance hydraulic pressure, and redesign the splitting sequence to transform this demo from messy to mesmerizing. A premium machine deserves a flawless performance worthy of its craftsmanship. This Galician pine sawmill is an industrial masterpiece, where every cut represents perfect optimization. Its lightning-fast processing speed and seamless log handling system leave viewers in awe. More than just a production line, it's a flawless dance between human skill and cutting-edge technology, with every second fine-tuned for peak performance. A living testament to how traditional craftsmanship and modern innovation can create miracles together. This Galician pine sawmill is an industrial masterpiece, where every cut represents perfect optimization. Its lightning-fast processing speed and seamless log handling system leave viewers in awe. More than just a production line, it's a flawless dance between human skill and cutting-edge technology, with every second fine-tuned for peak performance. A living testament to how traditional craftsmanship and modern innovation can create miracles together. Tired of wasting hours on chipper jams? The Gandini Energy 4075 is your ultimate game changer. Its proprietary no-stress and no-block systems, paired with high-grip rollers, pulverize even the toughest branches into perfectly uniform chips in seconds. No more downtime, no more frustration, just relentless productivity that boosts your bottom line by 20%. This isn't just a wood chipper. It's a profit-printing powerhouse that turns your biggest headaches into your most valuable asset. You think debarking trees is just a mundane task? Watch the Rosserhead debarker turn it into a spectacular performance. This machine operates like a true mechanical dancer. Every cut is a perfect blend of tremendous hydraulic power and millimeter precision. Feel the satisfaction as the rough bark peels away to reveal wood smooth as silk, ready for exquisite craftsmanship. This isn't just machinery. It's a technological marvel that transforms raw material into a masterpiece. The Amazon HF8002 Speed Cone Splitter, Kamasu Excavator's ultimate wood-wrecking weapon. This beast devours logs up to 45 feet long with its massive 32 by 16-inch cone, 1,750 pounds, making it the perfect attachment for 3.5 to 35-ton machines. Its genius dual-speed system auto-shifts between power and speed modes, while 5,000 psi hydraulic pressure turns the toughest logs into firewood in seconds. This isn't an attachment. It's a productivity revolution that laughs at hardwood challenges. The Swider wood splitter redefines efficiency with its revolutionary Christmas tree thread design, 15mm pitch, just 2.5mm depth. That requires 40% less power and torque compared to standard screw-type splitters. Operating smoothly at 1400 RPM with only 7.5 kilowatt power input, it handles even the toughest hardwoods with astonishing ease. This isn't just a wood splitter. It's a masterclass in energy-efficient engineering that makes stubborn logs surrender effortlessly. The Birch Series 2025, a versatile wood splitter with 17 tons of splitting force, featuring intelligent automation systems. Its flexible wedge lift and log lift mechanisms, combined with the optimized easy slide surface, streamline the splitting process. With specialized capabilities for resplitting and processing small diameter logs, this represents cutting-edge engineering for professional woodworking shops. Splitting wood has never been this easy. With a mounted hydraulic log splitter featuring a powerful Cyclops cylinder, you can effortlessly split even the toughest oak logs. This DIY log splitter runs on a tractor hydraulic system with a 100 Lmin flow rate, delivering unmatched power and reliability. The control valve ensures precise operation, while the rugged design makes splitting fast and efficient. Build your own machine and enjoy the results.
Горел, схватили!
The truck sways gently under the weight of freshly split oak logs, the scent of fresh sap still lingering in the air. Wouldn't using trips make it safer for him and easier on the equipment? Someone asks over the rumble of the engine. The seasoned workers exchange glances, their experienced eyes reflecting a hint of hesitation. Finally, a unanimous nod answers, "Let's try it. Safety comes first." Hey everyone, let me introduce you to the Wood Processing Wizard, a German-made mobile debarking machine that will blow your mind. This beast crushes jobs at insane speeds, delivers unmatched performance, and shoots sparks like fireworks. A true showcase of engineering power that'll make any woodworker's jaw drop. This powerhouse pairs a repeater wedge system with brutal 37-ton splitting force to mass-produce perfect 3x3-inch firewood chunks, ready for bundling straight off the conveyor. Watch it vomit out uniform pieces like a wood-chomping assembly line, while the auto-cycle feature keeps production humming. No more guesswork, just stackable, sale-ready firewood at 2 cords per hour. Efficiency? This isn't a machine, it's a firewood printing press. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content. See you in the next one.